So today I'm about to show you how to log out of Flow.io. If you want to keep your AI workspace secure, switch to a different account, or safety exit your active session on a shared computer. This quick trick is absolutely the best. First, navigate to your active canvas or dashboard view inside Flowit. Move your mouse down to the bottom left corner of your screen where your account profile picture and username are located. Click on your avatar image to reveal the quick options pop-up menu. Next, look down at the very bottom of the account. Below subscription plan details and profile link, you will see a text button labeled logout, which usually features a small exit or door icon right next to it. Now, click the logout button once if a confirmation box pops up, asking if you are sure to end your current workspace session. Simply click yes and sign out. The system will instantly clear your active login session and take you back to the main Flowit homepage. So that's it. That's how to log out of Flow.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.